Planning a trip to Thailand? Then wait. Before you book anything, you need these apps on your phone. These apps can save your money, help you travel smarter, avoid scams, and make your trip 10 times more smoother. In this video, I'll show you the best apps for Thailand travel that every tourist must use in 2026. From booking cheap rides to finding hidden places and getting the best deals on activities, these apps will literally change your Thailand experience. So, don't miss a second. Watch till the end, smash the like button, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe for more insane travel hacks. Because the last app is an absolute game changer. The first app you must download is the Grab. Grab is basically Thailand's version of Uber, but even better. You can use it for booking taxis, ordering food, even grocery delivery. Now, why is Grab important? Because in Thailand, many local taxis may overcharge tourists. But with Grab, you see the price before booking, no bargaining needed, safe and trackable ride. Always compare Grab price with local taxis. Sometimes it's cheaper, sometimes not. But for peace of mind, Grab is the best option. Next app, Google Maps. And trust me, this is your best friend in Thailand. With Google Maps, you can navigate anywhere easily, check live traffic, find nearby restaurants, cafes and attractions. And hidden trick that no one tells you, download offline maps before your trip. This saves your mobile data. Thailand streets can be confusing, especially in the places like Bangkok. So Google Map will save you from getting lost. If you want to save money on activities, this app is gold. Klook helps you book theme parks, island tours, airport transfers, shows and experiences. And you know the best part? Prices on Klook are often cheaper than buying tickets offline. For example, Safari World Bangkok offline ticket is expensive. The same ticket on Klook will be discounted plus instant confirmation. But always check Klook before booking anything in Thailand. Thailand is amazing, but English is not widely spoken everywhere. That's where Google Translate comes in. You can translate Thai to English instantly, use camera to translate menus, even talk using voice translation. At street food stalls, menus are usually in Thai. Just scan with your camera and boom, you understand everything. This app makes communication super easy. Next is Z Currency. Super useful for managing your money. It helps you convert Thai baht to Indian rupees, no real exchange rate, and also avoid getting cheated. For example, if something costs 500 baht, you instantly know how much it is in Indian rupees. This helps you control your budget and avoid overspending. Craving food late at night? Then use Food Panda. It's one of the most popular food delivery app in Thailand. You can order Thai food, Indian food and also fast food. Now why it's useful? After a long day of travel, you don't need to go out. Food comes to your hotel. For booking hotels, Agoda is one of the best apps for Thailand. Why? Because Agoda gives huge discounts on hotel, budget-friendly option, easy booking and cancellation. Always compare Agoda with other platforms, but most of the time Agoda gives the best deals in Thailand. Bonus tip: Thailand has 7-Eleven stores everywhere. You can buy food, use ATM, pay bills, even without the app. This is a lifesaver for travelers. So, these were the best apps for Thailand travel. If you download this before your trip, you will save money, travel smart, avoid tourist mistakes. Now, comment below which country should I cover next. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel guides.